Welcome to 2 Minute Tuesdays, where I cover a new topic every week in just 2 minutes. These are generally topics that don't justify a full length video on their own, so I'll cover them quickly here. All right, my name is Crescent, and welcome to another 2 Minute Tuesday. And today's topic is all the different places where you can source your Amazon FBA products. All right, ready? Let's go. All right, so if you're planning to sell on Amazon or any other platform, there's more options than just Alibaba for you to find suppliers for your products. There can be a multitude of different reasons for you to look elsewhere for suppliers besides in China. For example, with the current pandemic affecting all aspects of commerce, there's huge delays with manufacturing and shipping from China, and depending on what your product is, there can also be extremely high duties and tariffs for products coming from China. So sourcing elsewhere can help to get around those problems. Over the past few years, I've gathered a pretty extensive list of resources where you can find manufacturers or suppliers for your product. And I'll go over the top ones on my list in this video, but you can download the entire list to go through yourself, and I'll leave a link to it in the video description below. First of all, we're all familiar with Alibaba, but did you know that Alibaba is also available for different countries? You can find suppliers in India at india.alibaba.com. You can also find suppliers in Vietnam at vietnam.alibaba.com, as well as in Singapore at singapore.alibaba.com. 1688 is also an excellent resource. It's the Chinese version of Alibaba, so if you speak Chinese, you can actually get a better deal than on Alibaba. You can actually just use Google Translate to translate the website into English to get started. DHgate and AliExpress are popular places to find products and suppliers as well. These are excellent resources, especially if you're just looking to test a small quantity. Most of the products have no minimum order quantity, are in stock, and ready to ship on demand. A direct competitor to Alibaba is globalsources.com. They've actually been around much longer than Alibaba, so they have extensive experience in doing this. And they focus mostly on electronics, home goods, gifts, and fashion. For those looking to find suppliers in the US, Wholesale Central and thomasnet.com are excellent resources. Just keep in mind that costs are usually much higher sourcing stateside, but you do get faster lead times, faster shipping, better communication, and you avoid paying duties and tariffs if those are points you want to consider. And for those of you that are doing arbitrage, you can always find products on places like target.com and walmart.com, or on websites like gearbest.com and banggood.com. Just keep in mind that if you're selling branded products, Amazon will most likely require invoices showing that you purchased your inventory from authorized distributors. Receipts from Walmart or Target won't work. All right, so that covers the more popular and main resources to find suppliers besides on Alibaba. If you want to download the entire list of suppliers of around 50 suppliers, you can find a link in the video description below. All right, if you found value in this video, consider subscribing. And remember to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. It really does help me out, and I sincerely appreciate it. If you have any questions, ideas, or suggestions for a future 2 Minute Tuesday video, let me know in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more like it or some of my longer form content, there's one over here that YouTube thinks you might like. All right, thanks for watching.